Hop a squat. Oh yeah. Yeah! Oh, stuff. We're in the storm, this crazy hailstorm. I mean, look. I cannot see shit. Yo, what's up guys? It's Saturday, the last day of the rendezvous in the Ozarks Expo. And I'm not gonna talk at all this video. It's just gonna be straight wheeling, just straight to the point. Not gonna BS y'all with a bunch of talking. So yeah, we got a good group. We got the whole backwoods crew, a couple different rigs in the back, but yeah, it should be a good time. Gonna get some wheeling in today, camp tomorrow, and we'll probably head out. Just everybody's gotta go separate ways, so pretty quick trip, but yeah, no talking. The next clip will be straight wheeling, so we'll see y'all when we get there. All right, guys, we're stopping the air down. And if I haven't showed y'all this before, the faster fleet totally rules. Super sweet. They're both the same pressure. When you take out the air and you put the air in, same pressure. So love this thing. And then you do that and you get a reading. Oh, stuff, dude. Easy. All the photos are gonna have the photographer or the videographers in it.
Yeah! Front wheelie. That's when you go vroom vroom.
Oh, CV.
Josh, boy, he hates using his.
Yeah, he sure does. And
Keep low hours on that.
Hungry Hippo. What ledge? Dude, playing cards between the diff
Eating it.
and the rock.
Playing cards. Love it. Yeah.
Ew. Money. This should stuff pretty good.
Go left, go left, go left.
There you go. You good? Oh yeah. Woo! Perfect. Woo! Yeah, boy. No sway bar life. Yoo-hoo. Hey! Full size, boy. Oh, he just said, I don't need brakes.
I know. Dude, look at that thing eat. Tire on the
Unreal,
ground.
yeah, the whole time. Pop a squat. Money. Alpaca. All right, we got a pretty deep rut here. We're gonna straddle it. With the big long dog runner. About to dip in. Yee-hoo. That rear's about to slip in, but he's pretty good. He's all right. Oh, that's cash, dude. Probably hard passing, dude. Old big wheel lift. Yoo-hoo.
Good line.
Hey! Easy, boy. Just hit the button and go right. Yeah, boy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, boy. Wheel lift.
See you, Brian.
Open dip, baby.
Open dip don't work.
I know. The J.O. man himself. Going higher. Oh, no. Easy button. Awesome. So awesome. Yeah, just go back and then hit it a little harder. This way a little bit. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, boy. Yeah, Drew. What? I don't know, but it was rad. Very nice. Very nice. Perfect. Woohoo! Well, we're at the infamous Bub's cabin. I have a couple videos on this. I kind of go inside and show you guys. Maybe I'll link it on this video, but awesome place. And there's the man himself. He owns this land. Absolute awesome. He's a legend. But also, we've passed a ton of rigs. Well, $500 rigs. They're doing the Gambler 500 here. And there's some rigs right over there. Let's go check them out for a second. This is literally the most Arkansas thing ever. But check these out. Pretty sure it's touching. But if you don't know the Gambler 500, you buy a super cheap vehicle and basically mod it out really funny. Like, look at the snork on that thing. And you just freaking rip in the woods. Pretty funny. Oh, traffic jam. Well, we're here at Ozone Burger Barn. Obviously it's getting dark. And there's a crazy storm rolling in, apparently. I'm still kind of unsure what I'm gonna do. Probably it's smart to go home, but Brian lives in Maryland, so he's obviously has no choice. I'm airing up regardless. We'll see. But man, I'm just not sure what's gonna happen. So I think Mo and a few other people are gonna go home. But airing up over here, and we'll see what happens. I don't know. All right, guys, I want you to see. So we're in the storm, this crazy hailstorm. We just passed a bunch of hail. And I've used every combination of amber, spotlights, clear lights, whatever. I'm driving with only fogs right now. I was leading for a while, and Josh is gonna try leading, but genuinely, like, zero visibility. I mean, this is actually pretty good, but maybe I'll try to film to show you guys the zero visibility. But like, I mean, look.
I cannot see shit.
Yeah, this is unreal.
Give it a shot.
Unreal.
There's a bridge, apparently.
Yeah, I've
Maybe just a ditch.
never seen anything like this, man. And I'll try my light bar.
I don't mind pulling over if you want to try.
Look how bad that makes it.
Yeah, I'll give it a shot.
All right, J.O.'s gonna try. I'm just following headlights. I don't even see road.
Yeah, I can't see anything. I don't think so. There's just so much of it you can't.
This is so like exciting and like, I don't know, nerve-wracking is the word. Maybe cool.
Be careful, JL.
I feel like we're just driving to the edge of the world.
My thought is, well, if I lead, if I get in a wreck, at least it won't be a backwards vehicle.
Alright, well, it's a little bit better now. Just slightly. Now we're going 25. Try to make up some ground. So we're gonna go to the Birds Adventure Center restaurant. They close at 9 and we're like 30 minutes away, so we should have plenty of time to get there. We'll eat and just call it early, man, and go home and sleep in our own beds. So yeah, the hail is gone. Honestly, can't remember if I filmed the hail or not, but it was pretty gnarly. So yeah, keep on trucking.